Today I am reviewing the Shinco 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the cooling power. With an ASHRAE rating of 8,000 BTUs and a SACC rating of 4,550 BTUs, the Shinco delivers effective cooling performance for smaller spaces. Whether you're dealing with a heat wave or just a warm afternoon, this unit does a solid job keeping your environment cool and comfortable. The temperature is adjustable between 60 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you complete control over your comfort. But this unit isn't just about cooling. What makes it truly versatile is its 3-in-1 functionality. You get 3 distinct modes: cooling, fan-only, and dehumidification. In dehumidifier mode, it can remove up to 19.2 liters of moisture per day from the air, which is fantastic for humid environments. And thanks to its self-evaporating system, you don't need to worry about manually emptying water buckets in most cases. In fan mode, you can choose between 2 fan speeds, and the airflow reaches up to 200 cubic meters per hour. It's not a powerful tower fan replacement, but it does circulate air well enough to make the space feel fresher. Now let's talk installation. Shinco really makes it easy here. The unit comes with a complete installation kit, including a 59-inch exhaust hose and a window sealing plate. No extra tools are needed. Just attach the sealing kit to a sliding window, hook up the hose, and you're ready to go. The entire setup process can be completed in under 10 minutes. When it comes to usability, Shinco keeps it simple. The LED control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate. But even better, it comes with a remote control that works up to 23 feet away. A real convenience if you're lounging in bed or working at your desk. You can also manually adjust the direction of the air outlet grill to target where you want the cool air to flow. Mobility is another strong point. Thanks to its compact design and 4 built-in caster wheels, you can easily move the unit from one room to another. At under 27 inches tall and just 14 inches wide, it doesn't take up much floor space, making it perfect for smaller living environments. Noise levels are also quite reasonable. On sleep mode, the fan automatically switches to low speed, reducing the sound to around 55 decibels, which is quieter than a typical conversation and suitable for nighttime use. And speaking of sleep, the unit includes a smart sleep mode that raises the temperature gradually by 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit every 2 hours, helping you stay comfortable while conserving energy. Another great feature is the 24-hour programmable timer, which allows you to set the AC to turn on or off automatically. Whether you want to cool the room before you get home from work or ensure it shuts off in the middle of the night to save power, the timer has you covered. In terms of energy efficiency, this unit has a 5-star BE rating and a SEER rating of 5, which means it's designed to use energy efficiently while delivering consistent cooling performance. It runs on standard 115 volts, so you can plug it into any regular household outlet. To sum it up, the Shinco 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner offers a fantastic balance of performance, portability, and convenience. It's especially ideal for those who don't want a complicated installation or permanent fixture in their windows. With 3-in-1 operation, quiet cooling, a remote control, and a dehumidifier, it packs a lot of functionality into a small and affordable package. If you're shopping for a portable AC unit that won't break the bank but still delivers on cooling and features, the Shinco 8000 BTU is definitely worth considering.